Hello world, how you doing guys?
Yo! So today we are in Uluwatu
And
again.
we are going to the one of the beaches. However, you have to go down through the, well, down from the cliff. And as we're driving a car, we cannot go like this, people. So we have to walk. Let's go, Saya. Little walk.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so we arrive to the one of the beach in Uluwatu, and we decide as we're gonna have a spin by bike because it's you have to go down from the cliff and it's like very narrow and far. I used to be here like a few months ago, but this time decided to having a drive. And Sayang is just behind me, and this is my driver here. Yo, what's up? Ah, focus driving! Focus driving! Ooh. Oh, there is the car at the front even. Ooh, the view looks good. Ah, focus. Ah, mantap.
My God!
Sayang, how do you feel?
Oh my God!
Just laughing? And here we go, we nearly arrived on the beach. Yoo. Here we go.
Jam kuda Chong?
Huh?
Jam kuda balik?
1 hour.
1 hour.
Yeah, we're gonna come back in 1 hour, right? You come back for me, yeah? I don't wanna walk back.
Jam 6 lebih.
Pokoknya bolak-balik.
Oh guys, we just arrived. Sayang, you were scared, Sayang?
No, I was thinking, ojek how much? 25k go down, Ibu. Seriously? Can I bargain? You know the road is
Let's
so
go.
broken.
It's really broken.
Okay,
Very
okay.
narrow.
I just didn't bargain it more, and then when I just arrived, oh my goodness, let's go down.
Let's go to the beach. And we are starting with the beach with some wooden deck warung. They have a surfboard of bintang. Well, little warung here. And the beach acts as few people around. And low tide, but the beautiful beach in Uluwatu. Sayang, I hope so this boy's gonna come back for us, yeah? They're not gonna leave us because going up there,
Oh my
check
God.
this out. There is somewhere there. There is the plane, by the way. This is the plane what some people told me. And going up there is like, oh my God.
Oh, is that the plane that where the wheels is stolen? Oh
They
my
stole the wheels from this plane
God.
over there. Anyway, we're gonna enjoy today our little bit trip to the beach. I hope so it's not gonna be rainy because over there it seems like rainy. There is little warung, you could grab the bintang. Actually, if they have a radar, maybe I'm gonna grab it and we're gonna hit into this direction. There's like this beach has like 7 kilometers or something long, and it's like no beach clubs, no nothing yet. There is only one hotel, I think, like a tents hotel, something like that, and that's it. And only few people, maybe because the access is quite difficult. And yeah, but beautiful place.
Yeah, even me, you know, I used to drive motorbike a lot, but when I drive down, I feel like, okay, I changed
But
my
you will,
mind.
you will be brave enough to drive there by yourself? I
No.
don't think so, yeah?
No.
I'm gonna show you this cliff one more time. Imagine walking up there. Oh, but the beach is nice, really nice indeed. So here we go, this is the plane over there. Some people put the plane, Boeing 737 over there. So yeah, you wanna go to the plane over there?
I'm not interested.
Oh my God, but this cliff is still very nice, still kind of virgin, I could say. Beach here have a really nice sand, and there is the cliff with the green, still green thingy. That's how it was in Uluwatu not so long ago everywhere. And now it's low tide, so well, the coast looks like this, little rocky, and you can walk far, and the sunset will be somewhere where is Sayang over there right now. And that's how it looks, the beach.
One thing that I like about the beach in Uluwatu especially, it's a very white, clean sand beach, and then, you know, like surrounded, it's not that so many warung yet, especially for this one. What's the name of this beach? Pantai what? Nyang, right?
Nyang is 7 kilometers that way, but I think it's still Nyang anyway. This is very long beach, Sayang.
I think that this is the one, that beach that's still not infested yet.
Not yet.
But I believe one day, yes. Yeah. So yeah, I hope that they don't build anything yet here.
Yeah, but the sun is very nice. It's actually a really nice place. I really like it.
So I will show you how is Damian flying the drone.
Check this out, guys. I'm just at the top of the cliff. Where is this Boeing
That's the
here.
abandoned aeroplane, right?
Yeah. I hope so there is no other flight. But look at this. This plane, people on the wing, and the beach where we are down there. So lovely, isn't it? I mean, this is very nice for flying drone. That's how it looks. The edge of the cliff.
This is how it is, and look at the weather. Cloudy. I hope that it's not gonna rain soon. Cloudy. Very dark sky. And Damian is so brave flying his drone. Look at surround.
Landing time because
Landing
of
time.
the weather is really not so good. I don't wanna fly during the thunderstorm. By the way, by the beach, you have to catch the drone by your hand. So it's kind of risky, but you cannot do it by sand. Nice, just playing with you guys. It's easy actually. Alright, I hope so you enjoy a little bit of cinematography today from my drone. But look at the sky behind me. I can already feel a little bit of the rain. It's starting slowly. So yeah, I think we're gonna go into Warung. Maybe we're gonna have some radler if they have it.
Yeah, and then I saw surroundings like there are so many young couples just coming here, dating. Well, actually, it's very nice beach, and then the sand, the sand is clean,
And it's
And
very, very calm, I could say, very peaceful. It's like huge beach, very long beach, very wide, and it's like no other restaurants, beach clubs, and anything. So you can peacefully find the space for yourself and your partner and enjoy the time. However, we come today to the beach when the weather is literally like so-so, but I hope so you enjoyed anyway. Okay, radler time. All right, cheers, guys. They have a radler here. Only, by the way, only 25,000 here. Cheaper than as well. Just interesting fact. Anyway, there will be already big crane, and I think our driver, what we already paid, is waiting there. Saying he's already tried it. Yeah. You're not drinking, honey?
Yeah, I
Just
did
water.
already.
All right.
Yes.
All right, guys. I think that's it for today's vlog, right?
It's time to go home. I think that's all our video today, guys, and it's gonna be raining soon. So thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.
See ya, guys. Take care.